If beautiful fresh strawberries have started to show up in your grocery store, or perhaps you've been picking fresh strawberries, one of the very best desserts that you can make to highlight the deliciousness, the juiciness of these seasonal berries is to make fresh, homemade ice cream. It's made with simple ingredients, very quickly in your own home, and you will love it. Making homemade ice cream does take a little bit of forethought. If you have an ice cream maker like I do, it's a Cuisinart that requires that I freeze a canister in my freezer at least overnight. This has been in my freezer for several days. The ingredients you'll need for your strawberry ice cream are simple. You'll need 1.5 cups of fresh, flavorful strawberries, 1.75 cups of heavy cream, 3/4 cup of whole milk, 2/3 cup of sugar or a sugar substitute, and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. Give your cleaned and hulled strawberries a rough chop. You want to measure out 1.5 cups of these very flavorful strawberries. Next, transfer your chopped strawberries into the bowl of a food processor, a blender, a food chopper. You're going to chop these strawberries up to the consistency that you want in your ice cream. I'm going to chop mine rather finely. It's very easy to assemble the base for your ice cream. You'll want to give yourself at least 2 hours before you are planning to make your ice cream, up to overnight. I like to use a pitcher for mixing my base because it makes it easy to transfer the base into the ice cream maker without any mess at all. You'll want to whisk because you want to mix the ingredients up well, helping the sugar to dissolve. I do find that the longer that you let your ice cream base sit in your refrigerator, you have less to worry about in terms of the sugar dissolving. Add your cream, 1 3/4 cups of cream, and 3/4 cup of whole milk into your pitcher, your 2/3 cup of granulated sugar, and your 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And I like to give that a mix to start to get my sugar to dissolve. A pinch of salt will help to enhance the flavor of the strawberries, so use it or not, depending on what your preference is. Then add all of the strawberry mixture into the base. Give it a good stir and transfer your mixture into your refrigerator for at least 2 hours, but up to overnight. And I like to periodically go into my refrigerator and give the mixture a stir, helping to make sure that all of the sugars are going to dissolve. Once you're ready to make your ice cream, just pour your base into the canister that you placed onto the ice cream maker. Turn the on button. In about 20 minutes, you'll have soft, delicious strawberry ice cream. Eight minutes. Twelve minutes. 15 minutes. And here it is at 20 minutes. You can see that it is thickened up nicely. It is of a soft serve consistency. And this is the way I like to eat it. You could let it go for another 5 minutes and it'll firm up a bit more. Transfer it to containers for longer term freezing in your freezer. I'm going to taste the ice cream now for you at about 22 minutes and tell you what I think. It's awesome. Here's what I love about it. For a strawberry ice cream, you can really taste the strawberries in it, and they are not frozen solid, so they have that sweet, fresh flavor. I think you're really going to like this strawberry ice cream recipe. Give it a try.